Techno update. Subscribe now.
New Nokia 6 review, hands-on with the attractive, affordable smartphone. Design, key features and first impressions. I know, it really is called the new Nokia 6. It's a silly name, but HMD is very keen to distance this phone from last year's effort, with updated specs and a brand new design. And yes, the new Nokia 6 is absolutely lovely. As with many of Nokia's phones, the new Nokia 6 is crafted from a single block of aluminium and is finished in a two-tone anodized paint, with either a copper or silver trim around the sides and surrounding the rear camera module. It really does look great. But that's not surprising really. Nokia is nailing aesthetics, and shifting its focus toward design is really paying off for the long-standing smartphone firm. In design terms, there's very little in the way of competition and, despite its price, the new Nokia 6 looks even better than some of 2018's flagships. The new Nokia 6 also features a 5.5-in Full HD, 1920 by 1080 IPS display. Sadly, this isn't one of those 18:9 beauties we've seen recently, and it may lack the long dull form factor of the similarly priced Honor 9 Lite, but it looks nice on first impressions. There's no dual camera arrangement on the back, either, with the new Nokia 6 settling for a single Zeiss branded 16-megapixel camera with an aperture of f/2.0. It does have phase detect autofocus and dual LED flash, though, so it's not entirely bad. On the front is a 5-megapixel selfie snapper, which comes in handy with Nokia's reprised Bokeh feature. We first saw this feature in last year's handsets, allowing you to capture front and rear footage simultaneously, and even broadcast live to Facebook and YouTube. While vastly improved on last year, the technical specifications aren't particularly punchy. The new Nokia 6 is powered by Qualcomm's 2.2 GHz Snapdragon 630 processor, complete with 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of expandable storage. For the price, though, it should be just as speedy as the competition. UK release date and specifications. 5.5-in Full HD, 1920 by 1080 display. Octa-core 2.2 GHz Qualcomm Snapdragon 630. 3 GB RAM. 32 GB storage, expandable via microSD. 16-megapixel rear camera.